Hi, hola, привет! Today we are making potato salad. Yes! Medium-high heat, some water, and salt. Potatoes, eggs, drop them in the water for 15 minutes. Now celery, dice it nice and fine. Next is green onions, also diced nice and fine. Add them to a large bowl. Check on your potatoes. Once ready, add them to the bowl. Taking our hard-boiled egg out of its hot bath and placing it into a cold bath so that it's easier to peel. And once peeled, we are going to dice it, add it to our bowl. Give that a chop, 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 chop. Mix it all up. Add some chicken flavor bouillon or chicken stock. Coming in with that Larry seasoned salt. You can add regular salt. This is my choice. Ground black pepper. I like to go heavy. Adding Russian mustard, which makes it a little bit spicy. And our real mayonnaise. I am using, it looks like a tablespoon, but it's actually a serving spoon. So you might have a variation of sizing. I'm putting 4, but that might equal 8 from a regular tablespoon. Mix it all up. Give it a pat, 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 and a stir. Oh yes. Now we're gonna saran wrap that. Add it to the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to cool down. And plate it. Bon appetit. Paca paca. Adios. Bye bye.